Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, actually I used other images from same shooting. I kind of like it. Black and white shot all time. 35mm film, processed and printed. Well, but this is scanned old film. Well, fashion shot. My first year, I think, get out of school, I got this fashion job. Well, anyways, this is my subject, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. We got so much grainy, huh? Well, first of all, I'm going to colorize this shot, and then after that, I'm going to think about it to make some kind of interesting, impressive image from the colorized image. Well, let's get started. Okay, now I have this empty layer here, so I'm going to move this one over this black and white image. Then I'm going to change blend mode to color. Then paint it on some colors. Well, we see go from nice skin tone first, huh? Okay, use the brush, just basic to soft round opacity. I did colorize on a couple times in this same shooting, so I'm getting used to it, hopefully. But I want to change the colors of the dress and background and stuff. Let's see. I decided to use this framing, photo framing. That's interesting, I think. I kind of like this. Off center. Well, now... Well, I'm gonna use some smudge tool too. Same basic, soft round opacity. Let's see how it's gonna blend into other colors. I don't see much difference. Let me see. Change different brush. Dry media to scratchy pencil. I can't tell. Well, anyways, let's go to others. Okay. Now paint again. Now, what kind of color should I paint it on her clothes? Some kind of blonde, maybe blue, gray, or reddish brown. Well, overall, model's done, and go background. Okay, now I got this color. That's pretty nice. Well, about the background, I want to change that. That's too much on blue or color. So I'm going to change this color. Let's see. Okay, this time I want to try some. I'm going to add one more layer for color, but this time it's gonna be the normal blend mode. Then let me try oil paint this time. Then oil paint round, pick some, just challenge. Even though this is some pastel color, light color, but background I want to try to make. Let's see, this too dark I think, but well, we don't know, just try. I just want to see, just want to try. Well, eraser tool, sponge. I'm gonna tone down about 70. Then again, I'm gonna add more color. Now I want to add one more layer. Now this time filling with white texture layer. Now reveal, create empty mask. Reveal with nice brush, painting to roughing brush. This one has texture and I like it. Well, I guess that's it. Same kind of feeling which I made the other day. I don't know if it's interesting, huh? Same kind of shooting goes to same kind of feeling. Yep, I guess that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. Well, I had this is my original image. Then I add, well, colorize mainly. I add color, sort of, shadow colors, pastel colors. Then after that, I add some oil paint, just challenge or try on. I just want to try and add this pretty thick. So I thought I'm gonna tone down to about 70. Then I add white layer. Then I made mask to show up this much. Real shadow, and we got this brush texture. That's roughing brush to get this kind of texture, to get this kind of feeling. Well, that's all about it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and well, you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Yeah, some kind of feeling, huh? Thank you.